Niagara Falls. We're on the New York side. We're about to go take the Lady of the Mist boat ride. They run every 15 minutes. Tickets were about $20 per adult. Parking is crazy. So I was able to find street parking down towards the side, down further down the road. But parking around there is going to be difficult. Costs about $10 for 2 hours, so not too bad. Not that far of a walk. Plus, I get to check out this park. Look at this view. So you can see it is very pedestrian friendly. You don't have to pay to do anything in Niagara Falls. They do have a lot of free activities. And a lot of paid activities. Pretty much a nice little tourist area. Oh, another bonus fact. So Erica hopped out to go buy the tickets in advance. Tickets are good for all day. Again, they do run every 15 minutes. So you can get out, walk around, explore, find parking like we had to do, and still be able to catch one of the boats. Hey, thank you. Hold that up. What's this say?
Maid is Maid.
First and the second boat.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the world-famous Maid of the Mist boat.
Raggedy race.
For your safety, life jackets and the printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations throughout the vessel. We encourage you to take a few moments to look at the instructions. Life rafts are also carried on board this vessel and will be deployed by our staff in an emergency. Also, for your own safety, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat, and do not stand on the metal boxes on the deck of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. Should you have any questions, please ask one of our crew members. Maid of the Mist boats have been sailing up the borderline between the two friendly nations of the United States and Canada since 1846. The first Maid of the Mist was a coal-fired steamboat. The Maid of the Mist boats have carried presidents, kings, and countless other tourists from all over the world. We are approaching the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls. This falls is approximately 170 feet or 52 meters high. Its brink is 2,500 feet or 760 meters long. Here, daredevils have made their bids for fame. The first, in 1901, was a schoolteacher named Annie Taylor. Originally recorded as 43, Annie Taylor was in reality 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived.
Over in a wooden barrel.
In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost on this very same spot by a Maid of the Mist boat. To the extreme left of the Horseshoe Falls is Terrapin Point, through which passes the international borderline between the United States and Canada. Just to the right of the falls is the journey behind the falls.
Hey, that water tastes so fresh though. Oh, you can't look, can you? Yeah. Oh, you need your sunglasses. Hey! Woo! You want to call it Maid of the Mist now. It's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
The water's super fresh. So refreshing. Look how clear it is. What'd you say?
I didn't think I would get that one.
Not even close.
That was fun.
It's definitely worth the experience. Great view, get a little wet.
It was a pleasure having you aboard the Maid of the Mist. We hope you enjoy your stay while visiting Niagara Falls.
Right, so we just finished the Maid of the Mist Niagara Falls tour. It's pretty fun. For us, the line moved pretty fast. It's like they pack about 500 people per boat. It's a 15-minute tour altogether.
It was a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun. We thought we were just gonna come out here and just check out the park and the falls, just look at it. The boat ride's definitely worth it. Only $20 too. So it's a good buy. Okay, so once you get off the boat, hold on to your your poncho, because you also got this going on. So we're just gonna make do with what we got. This might actually be the best part. Oh no, this is pretty dope. Look how close you get to. Easy enough walk for anyone of all ages. You got guardrails up, steps. So definitely do it. You don't get too wet. I think we got a little bit of a misting. But you see, most people don't have ponchos on right now anyway. arguably better than the actual falls. It's going up and taking the trail at the end. It's fun. That's it.